Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to update your location in Spotify. Here we go. Updating your location is useful if you've moved somewhere or you've been traveling for a really long time. To do this, you'll need to go to a browser, which you can also do from your phone. Type in Spotify, go to the site, and here you'll need to log into your account. Once your account is open, click on Settings, then click on Edit Account. Click it. Then from here, you'll need to, if you've moved somewhere, change your subscription management and link a new card. And also update your personal information. Here you'll find your country or region. Select from the list, and in the new country you'll see your current country and click Save Profile. And that's it. This has been Weller. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you!